Okay, next we are going with the seventh questions of exercise 15.1. Find the mean deviation about the median. Till now we have solved fifth and sixth question. Find the mean deviation about the mean. Now we are going to solve find the mean deviation about the median. Okay, median symbol is nothing but M. Okay, given question is X and F. Third and fourth question was find the mean deviation about the median, but in that question only X was given, but in this question X and F both is given. Okay, next first you write the mean deviation formula. Mean deviation formula is equal to summation I varies from 1 to n fi into module xi minus capital M. Capital M indicates median, all divided by n. N is natural numbers. Okay, how to find n? In this, n is equal to summation of fi, means sum of fi. When you add all this 8 plus 6 plus 2 2 2 plus 6, you'll get fi, summation of fi. Okay, that is nothing but n. Okay, xi is given, fi is given, and n is sum of fi. We need to find m. Capital M indicates median. Okay, when condition when n is equal to e1, okay, after adding the frequency summation of fi, which is nothing but n, you will get one number, which is whether it will be even or odd. Okay, when n is equal to e1, median formula will be n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term all divided by 2. When n is equal to odd, median formula is n plus 1 by 2th term. Okay, this is the formula to find the median. Okay, to find the m. Okay, next we'll go with the given question. Given question consists of xi, fi. Okay, xi is 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15. Okay, fi is 8, 6, 2, 2, 2, 6. Okay, n is equal to summation of fi. Add all this, you'll get 26. Okay, n is equal to 26. 26 is a even number. Okay, 26 is a even number. Then you need to apply this formula. To find a median, you need to apply this formula. Let this formula be equation number 2. Okay, median is equal to n by 2 plus n plus 1 by 2th term all divided by 2. Okay, n is 26 na. You will get 26 by 2 plus 26 by 2 plus 1th term all divided by 2. Okay, median is equal to 13th term plus 14th term all divided by 2. Okay, which is 13th term, which is 14th term? Okay, we need to find by cumulative frequency. CF is nothing but cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? Adding the frequencies is nothing but cumulative frequency. Okay, first you'll get 8. Next 8 plus 6, which is nothing but 14. This is 8th term, this is 14th term. Next 14 plus 2 is equal to 16th term. Then 16 plus 2 is nothing but 18th term. Then 18 plus 2 is nothing but 20th term. Okay, 20 plus 6 is equal to 26th term. This is nothing but cumulative. Keep on adding the frequencies. Okay, in this, by seeing this cumulative frequency, where this 13th term and 14th term lies, this 13th term lies between 8 and 14th na. Okay, we'll consider 7. Okay, After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th. Okay, 13th term can be 7. Then 14th term, it will be 7 itself. Okay, because 14th term is given. If it was 15th term means we would have considered 9. Okay, now it is 13th term. Okay, after 8th term, 13th term will come. Before 14th term, 13th term will come. That's why we are considering 7. Okay, 13th term is 7. Then 14th term is 7. All divided by 2. Okay, median is equal to 14 by 2, which will be 14 by 2, which is nothing but 7. M is equal to 7. We have got the median. M is equal to 7. Then you can apply in equation number 1, which is mean deviation formula. Mean deviation formula. Okay, we need to find Fi into module xi minus mi. Okay, now we are going to find xi minus median is equal to xi is given, m is 7. Okay, 5 minus 7 module is equal to 2. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Okay, next we are going with Fi into Fi into xi minus m. Xi minus m is nothing but this one, 2. Fi, multiply this both. 8 into 2 is 16. 6 into 0 is 0. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 5 is 10. 6 into 8 is 48. Okay, to solve, to find mean deviation, we need to find summation. Okay, now you find summation of I varies from 1 to n Fi into xi minus m, which is nothing but add everything. 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 4, 6, 26, 36, you will get 84. 36 plus 40 is nothing but 84. Okay, now you can substitute this 84 in equation number 1. N is nothing but 26, sum of frequency. Okay, fine, now you write the mean deviation formula. Okay, summation of F5 into module xi minus m is equal to 84. Now you substitute mean deviation formula. Mean deviation is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n Fi into xi minus m all divided by n. Okay, Fi into xi minus m is nothing but 84. N is nothing but 26. Okay, you'll get 3.28 something mean deviation. Okay, mean deviation is equal to 3.28. Okay, find mean deviation about the mean is equal to 3.28. Thus it is simplified. Next I am going with 8th question of exercise 15.1. Find the mean deviation about the median. This is similar to the 7th question. Okay, xi and fi is given. We need to find mean deviation. Mean deviation formula is equal to summation I varies from 1 to n. N is natural numbers. Fi into module xi minus m. M is nothing but median. Okay, all divided by n. Okay, let this formula be equation number 1. N is nothing but summation of fi. By adding all this, sum of fi. F is nothing but frequency. Okay, by adding this you'll get around 29. N is equal to 29. Okay, xi is given, fi is given in the question. Xi is given, fi is given. N is sum of fi. N is sum of fi. Okay, by adding frequency you will get capital N. Okay, we need to find m. Okay, when n is equal to even, let it be 4. N is equal to 4. Median, to find a median formula will be n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2. Okay, when n is equal to odd, let n be 5. To find a median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 to term. Okay, where n is equal to 29 in the given question by adding all the frequencies. 29 is a odd number. Okay, so we need to use this formula. Let this formula be equation number 2. M is equal to n by 2 plus 1th term. Okay, M is equal to n is 29 by 2 plus 1 will be around it is nothing but 15th term. 30 by 2 this is nothing but 15th term. M is equal to median is equal to 15th term. Which is 15th term? We need to simplify now. Now let us get into the problem. Xi is given, Fi is given. Okay, so n is equal to summation of Fi. 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 is nothing but 29. By adding all this you'll get 29. Okay, now we need to find 15th term to know the median digit value. Okay, now to know the 15th term we need to go with cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is adding the frequency stage by stage. 3 plus a 5 is nothing but 8th term. This is 3rd term. Okay, 8 plus 6 is equal to 14th term. Okay, 14 plus 7 is nothing but 21st term. Okay, 21 plus 8 is nothing but 29th term. Okay, we need to get only 15th term. After 14th term, which is nothing but 15th term, na? Okay, so we need to consider 30. This will be the 50th term. If it was 13th term means we need to consider this one. Now it is 15th term, na? We need to consider 30 is your median. Median is equal to 30. Okay, now we need to find xi minus m. Okay, xi minus m, which is nothing but xi minus 30. Okay, xi minus 30. Okay, we need to find xi minus 30. Xi is given 15 minus 30 is nothing but 15. 21 minus 30 is nothing but 9. 27 minus 30 is nothing but 3. 30 minus 30 is 0. 35 minus 30, which is 5. Okay, you have got this. Next we need to find fi into xi minus fi. Sorry, xi minus m. Okay, by seeing formula you need to find fi into xi minus m. Okay, fi, f is nothing but frequency. Okay, 3 into xi minus m. Xi minus 30 is nothing but 15, which is nothing but 45. Next 5 into 9 is nothing but 45. Next 6 into 3 is nothing but 18. 7 into 0 is nothing but 0. 8 into 5 is nothing but 40. Summation of fi into module xi minus m, which is nothing but add everything. 45 plus 45, 90. 90 plus 18 plus 40 is nothing but 148. Okay, 148 is the summation of fi into xi minus m. Okay, now you need to substitute in equation number 1 formula of mean deviation. Okay, md is equal to summation fi into xi minus m whole divided by n. Okay, n is 29, fi is 148. Okay, 148 divide divided by 29. MD. MD is nothing but mean deviation. Okay, MD is equal to it will become 5.1. Okay, mean deviation about the mean is nothing but 5.1. Thus, it is simplified. Next, I am going with the ninth question of exercise 15.1. Okay, find the mean deviation about the mean. Okay, according to the given question, income per day to one person is equal to 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, 600 to 700, 700 to 800. These are the given input. Okay, number of person means frequency is given. Okay, we need to find mean deviation about the mean. Okay, mean deviation about the mean formula is equal to summation I varies from 1 to n is natural number, frequency into xi minus f bar x bar all divided by n, capital N. Capital N is nothing but summation of fi. By adding all this term, you'll get n value. You can get n value. Okay, you have got n, frequency is given, you need to find xi and you need to find x bar. Okay, to find x bar we have two formula to solve this method. Okay, first one, x bar is equal to summation I is equal to, I varies from 1 to n, fi into xi whole divided by n. Okay, fi into r, x bar is equal to a plus summation fi into di whole divided by n into h. Okay na, now we need to find xi and x bar na. Xi can be found by midpoint of ci. Okay, I will tell you how. Next we'll go with the tabular column. First you write the income and person, number of person, frequency. Okay na, midpoint will be 0 to 100, midpoint will be 50, 100 to 200 midpoint will be 150, 200 to 300 midpoint will be 250, 300 to 400 midpoint will be 350, 400 to 500 midpoint will be 450, 500 to 600 midpoint will be 550, 600 to 700 midpoint will be 650. Okay, 700 to 800 midpoint will be 750. Okay, these are the midpoint. Okay, next n, we need to find n. N is equal to summation of fi. Add everything, you will get one number, final answer. By adding everything, you will get n is equal to 50. Okay, you got n. Okay, now you have got xi also. You got xi also. Okay, by applying x bar is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n fi into xi by n, multiplying fi and xi, f into x, you'll get larger value. 4 into 50 is nothing but 200, 8 into 150 it will be somewhat more value, so it will be difficult to solve the problem. Okay, to simplify the problem, so you do not consider this formula for this problem, you consider this formula. This will be a shortcut method to solve. Okay, x bar is equal to a plus summation fi into di by n into h. H is constant, n is natural number, f is frequency, d is distance. Okay, first you need to get a. Okay, how you will find a? How many terms are there? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 terms. Okay, midpoint of 8 terms will be 4th term and 5th term. This is nothing but 4th term, This is nothing but fifth term. Midpoint of eighth term. Okay, middle value. Okay, you can consider A is equal to 350 or A is equal to 450. In this both you can consider any value as A. Okay, for this problem I will consider 350 as A. Okay, 350 as A. Always we need to consider X as A. A is equal to 350. A is equal to 350. Okay, you have got A value. Now you need to find H. Note, for H, the difference between first term and the second term of xi. Okay, first term of xi is 50 and second term of xi is 150. Okay, difference between 150 and 50 is 100. 150 minus 50 is equal to 100. Okay, so H is equal to 100. Okay, H is equal to 100. A is equal to 350. Okay, A is equal to 350. We have got H, Fi and N. Okay, now we need to find Di. D formula is nothing but Xi minus A by H. Xi minus A by H. Okay, next step of the tabular column will be D is equal to Xi minus A by H. Okay, Xi minus A by H. Okay, Xi D is equal to, what is Xi? 50 minus A is 350 by 100. Okay, you will get around minus 3. By simplifying this, you'll get minus 3. Okay, next 150 minus 350 by 100. D is equal to, you will get minus 2. D is equal to 250 minus 350 by 100. You will get minus 1. Then D is equal to 350. Okay, minus 350 by 100. You get 0. Okay, next 450. D is equal to Xi. 450 minus 350 by 100. You will get plus 1. Then D is equal to 550. 550 minus 350 by 100. You will get plus 2. Then D is equal to 650 minus 350 by 100. You will get plus 3. Next 750. D is equal to 750 minus 350 by 100 is equal to plus 4. Okay, you have got D. Now you need to find Fi into Di. Okay, next Fi into Di. Multiply F frequency and difference. 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 12. 8 into minus 2 is minus 16. 9 into minus 1 is minus 9. 10 into 0 is 0. 7 into plus 1 is 7. 5 into plus 2 is 10. 4 3s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Okay, by you will get 39. Sorry, you will get 37. Okay, this one, and by adding this you will get 41. 30 plus 41 minus 37. You will get around summation Fi into Di. Okay, add this. Okay, minus 12 minus 16 minus 9 is nothing but minus 37. Then by adding 7 10 12 12 41. 41 minus 37 is nothing but 4. You have got Fi into Di. You got A is equal to 350, Fi di 4 into H is 100 divided by N. N is nothing but number of frequency. By adding all this frequency, you will get N value, which is nothing but 50. Okay, X bar is equal to A plus summation Fi into Di into H by N. Okay, A is equal to 350 plus summation Fi into Di is equal to 4. 4 by N is nothing but 50 into 100. Okay, you will get 350 plus 8. 350 plus 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, X bar is equal to 358. X bar is equal to 358. Okay. Okay, we got X bar is equal to 358. Okay, now we need to find Xi minus X bar. Okay, next we'll go with the tabular column. Xi minus X bar, which is nothing but Xi minus 358. Xi is 50. Okay, is given. 50 minus 358 is nothing but 308. Next, 150 minus 358 is nothing but 208. 250 minus 358 is nothing but 108. 350 minus 358 is 8. 450 minus 358 is 92. 550 minus 358 is 192. 650 minus 358 is 292. Next, 750 minus 358 is nothing but 392. Okay, next you need to find Fi into Xi minus X bar. Okay, column Fi into Xi minus F bar. Okay, with this term multiply by frequency. 4 into 308 is 1232. Okay, 8 into 208 is 1664. 9 into 108 is 972. 10 into 8 is 80. 7 into 92 is 644. Now 192 into 5 is 960. 292 into 4 is nothing but 1168. 392 into 3 is 1176. Find the summation of this. Summation is equal to summation of Fi into Xi minus X bar. By adding all this, you will get around 7896. Okay, now you can apply this in formula, mean deviation formula. Summation Fi into Xi minus X bar is nothing but 7896 divided by N. N is 50. Okay, mean deviation formula is equal to summation Fi into module Xi minus X bar by N. Okay, mean deviation is equal to, this one is nothing but 7896 all divided by N is nothing but 50. Okay, MD is equal to 157.96. By simplifying this, you will get 157.96, which is similar to 158. Okay, thus it is simplified.